In this video, we are going to learn about how to track your Evri parcel. So first of all, open your browser and you have to search on the browser Evri parcel tracking. So now you have to open the official website of the company and wait for a while. So this is the interface. Here we can see the tracking ID number column. So in this column, we need to enter our tracking ID. If you are a recipient, then you are going to get your tracking ID by SMS or by email. So now we have to click on this track button. So from here you can track your every parcel. So my package has been delivered successfully to my address, you can see here. And also you can backtrack your warehouse, from which warehouse your parcel came. If you want more details about your parcel, then you have to click on view full tracking details. So now here you need to enter your recipient's postcode. Now click on continue. So this is the complete address of your recipient. I hide it due to privacy issue. If you want to view the proof of delivery, then you have to click on view proof of delivery. So this is the delivery image which I hide it due to privacy issue. You can also backtrack your package from here.